Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is the so-called ozone layer in the earth. So-called ozone layer in the earth's stratosphere has an average total pressure of 10 millimeter with partial pressure of ozone in the layer 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 6 nanometer. What is the concentration of ozone in ppm? Assuming that the average molar mass is 29 gram per mole. Okay, so let's start our solution. Okay, partial pressure. Pressure of ozone PO3 equals to mole fraction of ozone into total pressure. Okay, mole fraction of ozone into total pressure. So now mole fraction of ozone means total pressure. So mole fraction means XO3 equals to partial fraction means PO3 divided by mole fraction of ozone total pressure. Total pressure is P total equals to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 6 nanometer. It is given 1.2 partial fraction of the ozone and 10 nanometer pressure. Total pressure is 10 nanometer, so it is 10. Okay, it is 10 mm. So 10 mm and it is 10 mm. Okay, it is not nm, it is mm. So this equals to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, so mole fraction of air is equal to 1 minus XO3 is equal to 1 minus 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 7 equivalent to 1. Now XO3 mole fraction divided by mole fraction of air is equal to NO3 divided by mole of the air. Is equal to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, so in air equals to weight of the air divided by 29. Okay, mole of the air is equal to, so this value is, another is NO3 is equal to WO3 because 29 gram per mole, molar average of the air 29 gram per mole, and this is the value is 48. Okay, because oxygen, molar weight of the oxygen is equal to 16, O is equal to 16, so O3 is equal to 48. Okay, now WO3 divided by 48 into 29 by W into air is equal to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, so calculating this, so WO3 divided by W AIR is equal to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 7 into 48 divided by 29. So this value is 1.2. So this value is 9 gram of air has, okay, now 9 gram, thus we can say 9 gram 29 gram, sorry, 29 gram of air has ozone is equal to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 7 into 48 gram O3. So now parts per million means 10 to the power 6. So 10 to the power 6 gram has ozone is equal to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 7 into 48 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 29. This value is 0.1986 ppm. Okay, ppm means parts per million. So thanks for watching. I hope it is clear for everyone.